Hello, this is Darren Martineau with New Lifestyle Mastery. And in this video, I'm going to show you a really awesome way to make money online. Uh, and this is using public domain books. You can find public domain on this website, which I'm going to put in the description. It's called Project Gutenberg. As you can see, there's over 70,000 free ebooks on here. And so if we do the math on that, let's say you put up 1,000 books, right, of these public domain, and you put them onto Amazon or whatever platform you want. Let's say you sold uh, a dollar a day you made on your profit. That would be $28,000 a month if you had all those sales. That'd be that's what it would equivalent to. So this is an incredible way to make money online. And so what you do is you download these books. You can make annotations. You can create books out of different books by combining them. You might have to change them a little bit, but what you can do is you can upload them onto Amazon, and then you can sell them on there. Amazon allows you to do this. It's a public domain book, and then you can just you can make a lot of profit off of this. One of the ways that I make money online is with Amazon. This is an incredible business. So if you'd like to see my best ideas, click on the link and get my free marketing guide, and I will introduce you to my top ways to make money online. Thank you. Have a great day.